products to others and follow us and give us a thumb up. And if you click the product link to get coupons. If you are interested in our products, please send the inquiry to us. I will introduce the aluminum products from 5 parts. Firstly, I will introduce the coil, strips, and sheet. You can find them from these pictures. This one is aluminum coil. This one is strip. This one is sheet. This picture is our available specifications. Our capacity is 1,000 tons per month. Our material is from 1,000 series to 8 series. The thickness we can supply is from 0.1 to 10 millimeter, and the width we can supply is from 50 millimeter to 2,000 millimeter. The temperature we can supply is OH112 from T3 to T8 and so on. And we can supply the coil weight is from 1 ton to 4 tons. And we will deliver the goods to you within 30 days after receive the deposit. Next, I will introduce the package of them. From these pictures, you can find they are with waterproof paper and plastic tapes, all of them on the pallet to keep stable. Besides, they are widely used in many industries, like as building construction, equipment, commercial industry, and so on. There are some photos to show their applications. The first, you can find it's widely used in ceiling construction. This one is windows, roofing sheet, and rate truck. Next, I will introduce the color-coated aluminum coil. You can find them on these pictures, and we can supply the thickness is from 1 millimeter to 1 millimeter, and we can supply the growth is from 10% to 100%, and the surface we can supply the brushed marble finish, mirror finish, and embossed, and we can also provide the PE and PVDI coating paint. Next, and they have many advantages of them. They have lightweight. It has only 1:3 density of steel and high strength to weight ratio. Surface can be hardened by non-dicing. Good thermal and electrical conductivity. Welded alloys, not rust, and good commutability, and non-magnetic and non-tactic. And you can find these pictures. Their applications. It's widely used in decoration and ceiling construction. Okay, next I will introduce the aluminum checker plate. A checker plate, you can find these pictures. The pictures is different checker plates with different patterns. This one is one pattern, 1 bar. This is 5 bar, and this is 3 bars. And below is orange pure orange pattern, and this is diamond pattern. Besides, we also can supply the other patterns, and we can supply the white we can supply the width is from 600 millimeter to 200 millimeter. Thickness we can supply 1 millimeter to 5 millimeter. Next, I will introduce their applications. Because they are unsleeved, so it's widely used in flower. From these pictures, you can find it's used in glass flower, cup flower, and stairs. Okay, let's introduce the aluminum foil. The foil is very thin. The thickness we can supply is from 0.06 millimeter to 0.1 millimeter, and the width we can supply 100 millimeter to 2000 millimeter. The temper we can supply is from age 12 to 26 O and I. We also supply the different weight at your request, and the material we can supply is 1000 series, 3000 series, 8000 series. There are different prices. The 8 series is very, the price is highest, and because they have good food grade. Because so they widely used in food package. From these pictures you can find it. It's used in chocolate package. It is box container, food container, and this is barbecue. Okay, they have different rolls, small rolls and big rolls. And they have with different packages. The package of small roll is with carton. The package of big roll is with wooden box. And lastly, I will introduce the aluminum profile. The profile we supply the customers service. This photos you can find it's our sample drawing from our clients, and we can supply the temper is from T3 to T8. Welcome to send the inquiry to us. And next, I will introduce the packages. They have different packages. This one is plastic film. This one is waterproof paper, and this one is with wood or carton. And lastly, I will introduce their applications. They are widely used in equipment and building constructions. This one is drilling equipment. This one is for windows, and this one is for ceiling structure. And the lastly picture is cupboards in the kitchen. That's all I would like to introduce. If you like us, please follow us and click and give us a thumb up and click the products link to get coupons. Thank you very much. Next, welcome Sunny to introduce our advantages of the company. Thank you very much.
Okay, Sunny is back. Our first advantages is our history. We are now the top one of China market. So because of 38 years history to develop the market, and we established our factory since 1982. So 38